Outstanding favorite, number 1, Royal G. Good afternoon to all racing aficionados inside your favorites OTBs. Good luck on your second set of your winner take all set now, ready to race. Race number 4. Anytime now. And the race is on. It's a knee-jerking beginning for Flores. And moving up by the rallies, the outstanding favorite. And this one is Royal G alongside his AJ Special Smart Code. And racing in fifth, Eckless Cake, Yellow Soldier, My Wife Knows All. And Kissable Toys is the early trailer. Royal G via Lincoln Hub, AJ Special Smart Code. Racing on the outside, Flores, Yellow Soldier, My Wife Knows All. And as they race the last 500, Royal G, the outstanding favorite, by a length and a half, followed now by Smart Code in second, AJ Special, Yellow Soldier, Flores, and with the last 250 meters more to run, Royal G now burning the tracks by about 5 lengths now, Smart Code in second, and nearing the finish line, the horse of Mr. Eddie Gonzalez, Royal G, winning this race. Second, Smart Code, My Wife Knows All. Close, Flores, Yellow Soldier,